So hello students, now we will start exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. Whatever we have explained till now, I hope you all have gone through, and if you have any doubt, you just ask me, okay, in comment section. And as I told you that trigonometry is only related with right angle triangles. So whenever we come across any question, first and foremost we have to think about the diagram. Okay, how the figure of that question will be. Okay, so let's start. In question number 1, it is given that in triangle ABC, right angle at B. So at first we have to draw the triangle. ABC. See, it is given there that it is right angle at B, no? So angle B should be 90 degree. Okay, here AB is given as 24 centimeter and BC is given as 7 centimeter. Okay, what we have to do, we have to find out sine A and cos A. In the first question, we have to find out sine A and cos A. So, since we are asked to find the sine of this angle, we should know, as I told you, the side which is opposite to this angle will be the perpendicular. This will be the perpendicular. Okay, this is the hypotenuse and this will be the base. Okay, the side which is just opposite to the angle for which the sine we have to find out, that is what? Perpendicular. And the longest side we all know it is the hypotenuse, and finally the last one is the base. Okay, so now since we have to find out sine A, in order to find sine A, I told you to memorize one paragraph, no? One sentence I told you to memorize. Some people have. Okay, so in this case, perpendicular is what BC and hypotenuse is what AC. So directly we can find out. But there is a problem. Can you find out? The problem is that we don't know the value of AC. The value of AC is not given. So what we will do now? By using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out AC. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we get the given conditions. You write it by yourselves, okay? Whatever is given in the question, you just write down. By applying Pythagoras theorem, what we get? AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is given as 24, BC is given as 7. 24 is what? 576. 7 square is 49. So we got 625. Therefore, we'll say that AC is equal to what? Square root of 625, that is 25 centimeter. Okay, it's very simple. Now, we can easily find out sine A. Sine A will be equal to BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC. Now, BC, the value of BC was already given, it is 7, and AC we got just now as 25. So we got sine A. Now we have to find out cos A. Cos A, curly brown here, base by hypotenuse. What is base here? AB. AB by AC. So what is AB? AB is given as 24 and AC we know it is what? 25. So in that way we have done the first question, number 1. Okay. Number 2, you try it by yourself. Okay. Number 2, you try it by yourself, and whoever know my WhatsApp number, you just send me in my WhatsApp. Okay. Is it clear? Alright. Now we'll do number 2. The figure is already given aside. In question number 2, a triangle is given PQR. This is 90 degree. This is given as 13 centimeter and it is given as 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out 10p minus cot r. We have to find out 10p minus cot r. Okay. Now, let us concentrate on this. 10p. This is the angle for which we have to find the tangent. Okay, so the angle, the side which is just opposite to the angle is what? QR. So this will be the perpendicular. This is the base, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, is it clear? So for this, we know for tan it will be what? Perpendicular by base, isn't it? Turns permanently black. So here what is P? QR, isn't it? QR. And what is base? PQ. Okay. So in this case we need to know QR. We should know QR, but in the question it was not given. The other two sides are given, but QR is not given. But we can easily find out, isn't it? We can easily find out by using Pythagoras theorem. Now let us come to this cot R. Okay, let me rub all this. We have to find the cot of this angle. Okay, we have to find the cot of this angle. So the angle, the side which is just opposite to this angle is what? Perpendicular. I told you already, this is perpendicular. This will be the base and this is the hypotenuse. The longest side will be the hypotenuse. Okay. Now as I told you, cot is the reciprocal of what? 10. So cot R is equal to what? 1 by 10 R. We know that 10 is always what? Perpendicular by base. 10 is what? Perpendicular by base. So since it is reciprocal, now if you write it this way, 1 by perpendicular by base, then it will become what? Base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. So we can write here, in this case, cot R will be equal to base by perpendicular. What is base here? QR. And what is perpendicular here? PQ. Isn't it? Isn't it? So, do we need to find out QR? I don't think so. Because 10P is QR by PQ. Cot R is also what? QR by PQ. Both of them will be cancelled and the answer will be 0. Understood or not? It is very simple. Either we can find out QR by using Pythagoras theorem and then you put the values and finally it will be cancelled. Or there is, this is the other way. 10P as we know that it will be base, perpendicular by base. So we will write that as it is. Cot R will also be what? Will be the reciprocal of tan R. So tan R is what? Perpendicular by base again. It will become base by perpendicular as I have shown here. So these also will become QR by PQ. Both of them will be cancelled and we got the what? Answer is 0. Okay. So I think this part you can directly start from here. Okay. For question number 2, directly you can start from here after drawing the figure aside. You have to draw the figure. Okay. For both 10P and cot R, the perpendicular and base will be different. So, if we are given angle P, for angle P if we have to find out 10, then we have to find out the perpendicular. Okay. For P the perpendicular will be this, QR. So we have written here QR. And the base will be what? PQ. Okay. So we have written QR by PQ. Is it clear? So, if you have any doubt, go on rewinding. Okay. Rewind the video and try to understand. Okay. It is very simple. Alright. Now let's do the next. If you have not understood, you just comment me. Okay, I will explain once again. If any question, if you have not understood any question, just ask me. I will especially include one more video. Okay, for those doubt questions. Okay, all right. Now let's start question number 3. Question number 3, I think we have already done before in the last class. So now we'll start question number 4. See in question number 4 what is given? It is given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. Now we have to find out sin A and sec A. Okay. So 15 cot A is equal to 8. So can we write this as cot A equal to 8 by 15? Done? Okay. Now cot A can be written as cos A by sin A equal to 8 by 15. Done. Now we'll apply alternando here. Cos A by 8 will be equal to sin A by 15. Okay, see, 8 was here, I brought it here. Sin A will be there. Okay, very simple. We'll consider them as K. Then cos A will become 8K and sin A will become 15K. Isn't it? Huh? Okay, now we all know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, we'll come across this formula. I have not discussed this formula. Some formulas are there. I'll give you the list of formulas. You all have to memorize it. Okay. Now, since we know sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, we'll put the value of sin A. What is sin A? 15K. 15K square plus cos A is what? 8K. 8K whole square is equal to 1. 15K is what? 225K square. 8K is what? 64K square equal to 1. Now, what will you get? 289K square is equal to 1. So K square will be equal to 1 by 289. So K will be equal to square root of 1 by 289. And finally we got the value of K as 1 by 17. Okay, we got the value of K as 1 by 17. Now, if we know K, then we can directly put it here. Therefore, cos A is equal to 8K and K is what? 1 by 17. Just now we got it will become 8 by 17 and sin A will be equal to 15K, that is 15 into 1 by 17, that is what? 15 by 17. Okay. Now what we have to find out? Sin A. Sin A we already got. Okay. We have to find out sec A. Therefore, sec A will be equal to what? 1 by cos A. This is also one of the formula. I told you already. The reciprocal of cos is what? Sec. The cos we have already got the value. It is what? Cos A is equal to 8 by 17. So, in place of cos A we will write 8 by 17 and finally we got by 17 by 8. So, in that way, we've got the value of sin A as 15 by 17 and sec A as 17 by 8. It's very simple, okay? It's very simple. Alright. Now, let's do the next. Given sec A is equal to 13 by 12, we have to calculate all other trigonometrical ratios. Okay, trigonometric ratios. Now let's find out. So you don't have to worry about that I have wrapped it. Okay, you can pause it for a while and answer it, and I'll copy all the answers. Okay. Now, number 5. See what is given. We are given that sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Okay. Now, for this particular question, what we will do? We'll draw a triangle. Okay. Let me draw it somewhere here. We'll draw a triangle, a right angle triangle, ABC. Okay. ABC. And this will be 90 degree. We'll consider this as theta. Okay. We'll consider this as theta. Okay. Now, for this angle, the sec is given. Sec theta is given as 13 by 12. What we have to find out? We have to find out the other 5 ratios. The other 5 ratios are what? Sine, cos, tan, cot and cosec. 5 are left now. Sec is already given. We have to find out the other 5 ratios. Okay, now I told you the side which is just opposite to this angle will be what? Perpendicular. This will become the base and this will be the hypotenuse. Isn't it? Alright. So now, if it is sec, okay, if it is sec, can we write as 1 by cos theta equal to 13 by 12? We can write. Then, become what? 12 by 13. See, it is given as cos theta, 1 by cos theta. So if I reciprocate this side also we have to reciprocate. So if I reciprocate left hand side, it will become what? Cos theta by 1, which is cos theta. This will be 12 by 13. See, 13 by 12 plus 2 reciprocal, what will become? 12 by 13. Isn't it? Alright. So now, I told you, if it is cos, then it will be what? Curly brown here. What is B here? BC and AC. So BC by AC is equal to what? 12 by 13. Now we'll do here alternate row. BC by what? 12 will be equal to AC by 13. Just consider it as K. Okay. Therefore, we can say that BC will be equal to 12K and AC is equal to what? 13K. Is equal to 13K. Okay. Alright. Now, we know that value of BC and AC in terms of K as 12K and 13K. Now, what else we have to find out? We need to find out AB. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. So applying Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? AC square will be equal to AB square plus what? BC square. AC is already given. It is given as 13K square. AB square we have to find out. BC is given as 12K square. So what you will get? 13K square means what? 169K square. AB we have to find out plus 12K is what? 144K square. So now 169K square minus 144K square will be equal to AB square. I think AB square will be equal to 69 minus 44 will be what? 25. So AB will be equal to square root of 25, that is AB equal to 5 centimeter. Sorry, this will be K square, and this will become 5K. So we got the value of AB also in terms of what? K. Now, what we have to find out? Sec is already given. Okay, sec is already given. We got the value of cos also. No? So, what else are left? Sine is left. Let us find out sine theta. Sine theta, some people have AB by AC. AB by AC. What is AB here? 5K. Okay, what is AC? 13K. KK got cancelled. What we got? 5 by 13. Cos theta. Cos theta we already got here as what? 12 by 13. Shown above. Then 10K. Sorry, tan theta turns permanently black. AB by BC. What is AB? 5K. What is BC? 12K. So KK got cancelled. We got 5 by 12. Then sine cos tan. Then cot we have to find out. Cot theta will be the reciprocal of tan. So tan theta we got already. Tan theta we have got already is 5 by 12, no? Just put the value. 5 by 12, what we got? 12 by 5. And finally cosec. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So sine theta we already got the value as 5 by 13. Just put the value as 5 by 13 and we got as 13 by 5. Okay, so in this way we got the other ratios. You just have to memorize all these formulas. Okay, without this you won't be able to solve it. Is it clear? Alright. So let's proceed to the next question. So question number 6 also I've already explained in the last lecture. So I've already demonstrated question number 6. This question is similar to the question, one of the question in the examples. I've already explained. Okay. Now we'll do the next. Okay. Now number 7. Number 1. See, you are given that cot theta. You are given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay. It's given as 7 by 8. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the first one, 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, here 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now see here, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Then obviously it will be what? A square minus b square. 1 square will become 1 minus b square is what? Sine square theta. You have to write a square here, okay? Not here. Here we have to write down. Okay? Now here also same, a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square, a square, that is 1 square will be 1 and minus 1 cos square theta. Alright. Now 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sine square theta. Cos square theta by sine square theta is what? Cot square theta. Now cot theta is already given as 7 by 8. So what we got? 49 by 64. 49 by 64 is the answer of the first one. Is it clear? Now here we have used some formulas, like here, how 1 minus sine square became this. Now I told you already, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now you can just, now you will understand, if I send the sine square theta to the other side, it will become what? 1 minus sine square theta, isn't it? So in place of 1 minus sine square theta, what we can write? We can write cos square theta. See, in place of 1 minus sine square theta, I have written cos square theta. In place of 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, if you send this to the other side, then what will remain? Sine square theta will remain. Other side, it will become what? 1 minus cos square theta. Isn't it? So in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we can write sine square theta. We can see it here clearly. Okay. So cos theta by sine theta. One more formula we have used here. We know that cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Okay. Is it clear? So in place of, so I have written it directly. We can do directly. This can we write this way? Cos theta by sine theta whole square. Yes, we can write. When you open the bracket, it will become this one, isn't it? So now cos theta by sin theta, we know it is what? Cot theta. It will be what? Cot theta square. Now cot theta will become what? This one. Understood? Is it clear? So we can do in the previous way also, in this way also. Both are the same. Okay. All right. The next one you try by yourself directly. Directly we have to put the value and solve it. Okay. Cot theta is already given. You just have to find out cot square theta. So the answer will be same. It will be 49 by 64. Now let's do the next, number 8. In question number 8, it is given that 3 cot A is equal to 4. 3 cot A is equal to 4. So now, what we have to check? We have to check whether, what we have to check? To check 1 minus 10 square A, 1 plus 10 square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, alright. Now, here for this question, to do the right hand side, let us do the left hand side. Okay, let us do the left hand side. Okay, let me do the left hand side here. For some reason, left hand side, what is here? 1 minus 10 square A, 1 plus 10 square A. Now 1 minus 10A can be written as what? 1 by cot A square. 1 plus 10A again can be written as 1 by cos square, 1 by cot A square. Can we write? Yes. Now, 1 minus, when you open the bracket, 1 square will be 1, cot A square will be cot square A. And here same 1 plus what? 1 by cot square A. Done? Okay. Now, if you take LCM now, what you will get? Cot square A minus 1, and here cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. See, both this will be cancelled. And finally we got what? Cot square A minus 1, cot square A plus 1. So we got cot square A minus 1, cot square A plus 1. Now you just put the value of cot A. What is it? So here, I think cot A will become what? 4 by 3. So just put the value of cot A as 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 whole square minus 1. Here also 4 by 3 whole square minus 1. So what you will get now? 16 by 9 minus 1. 16 by 9 plus 1. Take LCM again. 9, 16 minus 9. And here take LCM 16 plus 9. 9 got cancelled. 16 minus 9 is what? 7. 16 plus 9 is what? 25. So we got the left hand side value as 7 by 25. We have to do the right hand side now. Okay. But in the right hand side we can see here cos A and sin A is there. Cos A and sin A is there now. So what we have to do? We have to do in this way. Since cot A is equal to what? 4 by 3. We can say that cos A by sin A, cos A by sin A will be equal to 4 by 3. Cos A by 4 is equal to what? Sin A by 3 equal to what? K left. Therefore, cos A is equal to what? 4K, and sin A will be equal to 3K. So now we can say that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Put the value of sin A, it is what? 3K square, and cos A is what? 4K square is equal to 1. So we got what? 9K square plus 16K square equal to 1. We got 25K square equal to 1. So K square will be equal to 1 by 25, and K will be finally square root of 1 by 25, that is what will get? K equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Okay? Alright. Now, we will do right hand side now. In right hand side, what is given? Cos square A minus sin square A. Now, what is cos A here? 4K, isn't it? So we can say 4K square. What is sin here? 3K. So write 3K square. So now 4K square is what? 16K square, and this will be what? 9K square. 16 minus 9 is what? 7K square. 7K square. Now let us not do this part. Let us finish it up here only, because we know the value of K square is what? 1 by 25. Just put the value of K square. K square is what? 1 by 25. So what we got? 7 by 25. Is it clear? Now, left hand side what we got? We got 7 by 25. Right hand side also we got 7 by 25. So, they are what? Equal. Is it clear? Okay. So, therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Is it clear? Alright, now let's do the next. Let's do the next question. So in the next question, it is given that there's a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, and tan A is given as 1 by root 3. We have to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay. Alright, now so now it is given that so you write the given conditions by yourself. So directly I will start the solution. Okay, the solution I will start directly. So here tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Now if this is the angle, the perpendicular will be this. I told you this will be the base and this is the hypotenuse. Okay. So tan A will be what? What? P by B. P by B. That is what? BC by AB. BC by AB is equal to what? 1 by root 3. So now we can see here BC by 1 is equal to what? AB by root 3. What we have done? Alternando. This approach here AB had taken here. Okay? So we'll be equal to what? K left. Okay? Therefore, BC will be equal to K. 1K means what? K. And AB will be equal to what? K root 3. Okay? Root 3 into K will be what? K root 3. Some of you write in this way. But while putting this root, you just put the root up to K, which is wrong. So, it will be better you write the K here. Okay? Now, what we will do? We have known the value of BC and AB in terms of K. What is left? AC is left, no? So, we'll apply Pythagoras. Applying Pythagoras theorem in Pythagoras theorem, we get what we get? AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC squared. So, what is AB? What is AB here? K root 3 whole square. And what is BC here? K squared. So now it will become what? Root 3 square means what? 3 and K squared. 3K squared plus K squared. What we got? 4K squared. So we can say AC will be equal to square root of 4K squared. That is what? 2K. The square root of 4K squared will be what? 2K. Isn't it? So now we got the value of AC also in terms of K. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out the first one. The first one we have to find out sin A cos C. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay? Alright. Now, sin A will be what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? BC by what? AC. Cos C. Now, in case of this angle, okay, the perpendicular will be this because the side opposite to C is what? AB. So this will be the perpendicular. Okay, rub this for now. Okay, and this will become the base, and this is already the hypotenuse. So cos C will be what? Curly brown here. BC by AC plus cos A again. In case of this will be the perpendicular, this will become the base. Curly brown here, it will become what? AB by AC. And sin C, in case of this angle, this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base. Okay, so sin C, people have perpendicular by hypotenuse, will get what? AB by AC. Isn't it? Now we'll put the value of BC, AC and AB. So what is BC? BC is K. What is AC? 2K. Again BC is K, AC is 2K. Plus here, what do you get? AB. What is AB? AB is K root 3. AC is what? 2K. AB is what? AB is k root 3, AC is 2k. Done? Alright, now I think this k will be cancelled, isn't it? And here what will remain? Here also k got cancelled, k got cancelled. So this will be 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 will be 3, 2 into 2, 4, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 will be 4 by 4, and finally got 1. Isn't it? Alright. So now there is one more procedure. Okay? Without doing all this part, directly after writing this, since we know sin A will be BC by AC, cos A will be BC by AC, take the perpendicular and base accordingly, and just after this we can do it this way. BC by AC, BC into BC is what? BC square. This will be AC square. Done. Here also AB into AB will be what? AB square by what? AC square. Isn't it? Now take LCM. AC square will be LCM. What you will get? BC square plus what? AB square. Now, according to Pythagoras, okay? AB square plus B square, BC square means what? AC square, no? So in place of that AB square plus BC square, what we can write? AC square. So AC square by AC square got cancelled, and finally we got 1. Isn't it? So I think this will be easier for you, isn't it? Understood or not? This method will be easier for many of you because it is very short. Is it clear? Alright. Now one more is there. For that we have to do it some other way. Okay? So it's better we do it this way only. For advanced math student, I'll show you the other way. Okay? Now see how we will do. Okay? Here itself I'll show you 2 methods. So go through the video properly. Okay? Don't mix it up. If you mix it up, then you are gone. Okay? You are gone. Your solution is gone. Okay? Now for advanced math student, there is one method. Okay? So tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Isn't it? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So in place of tan A equal to 1 by root 3, no? So in place of 1 by root 3, we can write what? Tan what? 30 degree. Can we write? Yes. So the value of the angle A will be equal to what? 30 degree. Okay. So now we know the value of angle A. Angle A is 30 degree. This we know it is already 90 degree. Can we find out the other angle? Yes. By using angle sum property. Therefore, angle C, okay, will be equal to 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B. Isn't it? So in this case you don't put angle, you just write in this way only. Okay, now 180 degree minus A is what? 30 degree we got as 30 degree. Done? I think it will be better if you put angle. Okay? Then it will be clear. Alright. Now angle B. Angle B is what? 90 degree. So 180 degree minus what? 120 degree. What do we get? 60 degree. So angle A and angle C we know it is what? 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Now, here in the first question, sin A cos C and cos what's given? Cos A sin C. This is also one of the formula. Okay, you'll find in the book itself, advanced maths book itself, you can, in place of this you can write sin A plus C. Okay, so for compound angles, okay, Sin A plus C is equal to sin A cos C, cos A sin C. Okay. Now we know the value of A and C both. What is A? A is 30 degree. And what is C? 60 degree. Sin 30 plus 60 is what? 90. And finally we got sin 90 is equal to what? 1. Okay. So this is also one of the method. Since you have not explained what is all this, we will be doing in the next topic. Okay. In the next topic, in the next video, I will be explaining some of the standard angles value. Okay, like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. I will be explaining you that, don't worry about it. So, till then, we have all understood three methods. Three methods we have understood. Okay, so you can use the NN method. Okay, this method also you can do, but you should have proper knowledge. So, students other than this one, advancements, those who are taking advancements, it will be better you do it this way. Okay, this will be easier. Okay, all right. Now the next question. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. You do it by yourself. It is same as the previous one. Okay, because we already know this one. Cos A we can easily find out. Cos C also we can easily find out. Okay, so you do this by yourself. Alright, now, so I think for today it's enough. Okay, in the next video I will show you question number 10 and we'll try to do the true and false also, and I will explain the next topic. Okay, alright, so till then you just go through these videos, and if you have not understood, continuously go on rewinding and check it again and again. Okay, and then also if you have some problem, then what you will do? You just comment me. Just comment me, send me the question number and the page number. I will show you in a separate video, especially for you. Okay.